In today's video, I'll be discussing how to create some visuals for your Power BI dashboards. The simplest way to create a dashboard is to simply open up your data pane and select the data points that you wish to create a visual out of. As you can see on screen, when I select sums, it just displays the total amount of sums from my data. But if I click sums and then country, then it can actually create a useful visual of displaying the sums by country. But what if you wanted a different visual instead? Well, with your original visual highlighted, you would open up the visual panel and select a different kind of visual. Let's pick a pie graph, for instance. Let's try this method again, only this time with a line chart. So this time we're going to select a date value and a numeral value. This will allow us to see the change in sales over a given amount of time. Alright, I'm going to end this video with two more ways that you can actually create your visuals. So, with no visual highlighted and your visual pane still open, click on the specific chart that you want to make. So let's just make this pie chart again. And with this pie chart created, we can then select the data values we want to actually add into it. So we can just do this again so it looks exactly the same. And with the line chart, what we can do is actually click on Create Visual inside this top ribbon up here. And then after that, you can just add the correct values, and here you go.